Today, with a little help from Alexis here, we're going to replace the board on the treadmill, the one that goes underneath the belt. It snapped a little while ago, and Bowflex was kind enough to send me a new one. We've had the treadmill for about 7 months. The process was a little lengthy, but today we're gonna replace the board. I thought that the deck, they would have given me some instructions with it, but there's no instructions in the box. So I'm gonna start at the front. We're gonna take the, I don't know what you call it. Did you just fart?
Yes.
We're gonna start at the front. I don't know what you call the thing, but it is a, basically the cover of this thing right here. So I'm gonna take the 2 screws off on the outside and then go from there, I guess. Well, all the 6 screws done. I'm gonna take the cover off and let's see what it looks like. There we go. All right, taking this back corner off. And we're gonna get it here. Try and get this side off. Okay, so I took out 6 screws in here to get the side off, and so now I'm taking the side off so I can at least see the board and everything that goes with it. So now the entire side is off, and I think this board is going to be a little bit easier to replace than all the ones that I've seen online. Thank goodness.
You might just need to kind of loosen all of them to get it going the right way, right?
Maybe. Can you hold this down? Or like...
What if I have to hold this rubber here? You know what I mean?
The front 2 screws for this and that were tough to get out, but we did get them out, so with some time. So now we'll put the new board in and then test it out.